Alright guys, it's been a little while since I've been on here. Got this Abus Euro cylinder that was sent to me by Potti314. There's the key, bitting. Does work. So, let's get this thing clamped up. Let's see what we've got here. Been a little while, I haven't really been picking much. In the process of starting a new job, buying a new house. Got a little bit of everything going on actually. So I haven't been able to devote as much time as I would like to our little hobby here. Alright, we use this Peterson's 15,000s, number 7. Let's see what we've got. A little bit on 1. There's a little bit on 4. Well, more on 4 it felt like. I don't think this hook is quite deep enough. Need to get some deeper hooks. A little false set on 3, deeper false set on 3. Little counter rotation there. Deep false set again. Must not have got that spool set. I think I got it that time. Maybe not. Yep, there we go on 2. Zoom out. Let's see here. What do we need? Try not to lock that back up. Alright, let's get a follower. And let's turn this. About shoved it out there. should work. You know what? I'm gonna shim this just to be safe. Well, maybe I'm going to. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's see here. Well, shit. They were all 5 there, and I just dropped one of them. And I have no, there it is. Let's try this again. All 5 pins are in and working. And let's see what we have here. Standard and 1. Standard and 2 and 3. Actually, I don't know if that came out with 2. Let's see. Yep, that came out of 2. That one was in 3. That's in 4 and 5. We'll take a closer look at these, but got some serrated pins, a spool pin. That one's got 2 pins in it. Unless I didn't pick something right, and that came out of the Bible. Let's see. One looks standard. 2 is a spool. 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. 5 serrated. All the springs look uniform. That's odd. I don't know why. Oh, you know what? I bet this one came out of 1. Either way, here are the pins that we have. We've got standard in 1, standard in 2, a spool in 3, serrated in 4, and serrated in 5. And then up top we've got a standard in 1, a spool, serrated type spool in 2. Looks like a kind of like an ASA type pin in 3, a spool in 4, and a really fine serrated one in 5. So that's what we've got in this ABUS Euro cylinder. Potti, thanks again for the locks, and everybody, let's keep it legal, keep it fun. Thank you.